Hi, it's the car maintenance man again. Just going to show you how to change an oil and filter on a 1.2 Clio 2. This is a phase 3 model. Firstly, you need to jack the vehicle up, as you see. Always put an axle stand underneath the vehicle as well, because if the jack fails, you don't want the car coming down on yourself. The tools you need: a drain tray, a pair of grips, a ratchet, and an 8mm square socket for the sump bung. Most Renaults use these. They're not the same as a normal quarter drive socket. They're a special 8mm socket. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go underneath the vehicle. You can see the drain plugs there. The oil filter is just above the drive shaft at the back. Just there. My advice on these is I use the big grips to loosen it off. Put the drain tray underneath. Get yourself a bit of cardboard. Put it above the rear, the front subframe. So then when you undo the oil filter, the oil will run down the cardboard rather than all over the subframe. After 5 or 10 minutes, the oil filter should have fully drained and stopped dripping. You can then remove the cardboard and dispose of it. For this vehicle, I'm using genuine parts, but they're the cheaper brands. They're called Clio. You can buy them from Renault. They're a lot cheaper than using the Renault branded parts, but they are still supplied by Renault themselves, and they'll be the equivalent and the same warranty as you would get on the branded ones themselves. As you can see, it says Clio. It's the oil filter replaced. Next job is the ratchet and the socket. Simply release the sump bung like so. Again, leaving it for a few minutes, the oil should stop draining off. My advice also, you can see the washer's stuck on there. Always replace the sump bung washer with a new one. You certainly don't want that being leaking. Torque up to between 20 and 25 Newton meters. Give it a little bit of wipes, just get the excess off. Okay, so now we've got the vehicle on a level ground. We took the jack and this axle stand away. We can start topping up the oil. This vehicle holds 4 litres. Okay, that's the 4 litres all in. The oil cap back on and start the vehicle. Let the vehicle idle for a minute. Check to make sure there's no leaks. Switch the vehicle off and wait a few minutes. 4 to 5 minutes should be enough. Right, it's been 4 to 5 minutes. Again, making sure the vehicle's on level ground. Remove the dipstick. Nice and clean. Insert it back in and remove back out. We're dead on the maximum. 4 litres spot on. Thank you for watching this video. Watch my other videos for more advice on car maintenance.